Just gonna show you the Temu first. As you see my nails, I don't like them. I don't know if you like them, I don't like them. Seriously, I kept them because I was so lazy to do my nails. And I spent a lot of time to make the press-ons. That's why my nails are always look the last. And I was so inspired by the autumn, even though I don't like autumn. But I wanted to make some nails with maybe orange or yellow color, like more calm. And here you see, I can show you the bags for the shipping. I bought very bright color, bling bling, just like I like. Oh no, oh no, this is a great thing for cleaning. I got it for cleaning stuff. I just wanted to check it out, but soon you will see the mistake I bought. It's so bad, like literally it's gonna stick to your hands. It's a great idea, but probably it's not the right product for me. And the mistake will be realized after few seconds after I put it on my hands. Oh yeah, I already started to clean. Yep. Oh no, I'm just saying back then I remember how it was hard for me to clean from my hands. Ah, that's the worst. That's coming, yep. Just look at that, the bright color and so squishy and nice. So nice. And then you see this. And next is a tape for the nails. The one that you stick on press-ons or for the swatches. Oh, stickers! I love those. Barely use them though. Yep. They're shining bling bling, it's all about me. And another one, just slightly different, but still shiny. Seriously, I don't know if I will buy any not sparkly or bling thing ever. I'm serious, I'm considering myself as a crow. I'm buying only shiny things. And one of the brushes, probably everyone have them, at least those who interested in nails, easier to brush off the dust. And the next one, of course it have to be rhinestones, but those ones are colorful. Specifically, I had opal ones, I had a transparent one, but I didn't have simple flat rhinestones. Not sure if they are glass ones. Well, anyway, gonna try them on. Gonna try them on a few of my interesting projects. But maybe we'll see later in other videos. And here is the pearl. Pearl shimmer on the nails. I'm gonna show it later if I'll see any of pictures. This one is moldable UV gel. Good consistency. I have a transparent one, but I want a specifically black one for very small details. Just to not waste my time to color the transparent one into black. It's a very small amount, seriously, it's a very small amount. Maybe I'm gonna be regretting buying this thing. And the next one is this cleaner of the cuticle line. Yeah, I saw some YouTubers using that, and I think it's a really nice idea to just easily in, like quickly get rid of your cuticle. I'm gonna try it though. I don't know how it's gonna work, but gonna wait till my cuticle grow back again and see if it's good enough. If it's better than my other nail bits. Either way, I'm so lazy to clean my cuticles. Sometimes I just push them away and just do my nails just like that. Just remember, it's not necessary to get rid of your cuticles. It's considered as a bad thing, but I just cannot stand the cuticles. Like they just get my like eyesore. I cannot. I just don't like to see them. And the next one is the metal charms, specifically for Halloween. As you can see, it's like skeletons, ribs, other stuff, the gothic ones, the skulls, the what is it, the angel? Yeah, that's interesting choice, but I guess I'm gonna make some design with that. And the other one, yeah, it was not all of them there, but it's fine because it's only for me. Next are the balls, which are specific colors because they're more the most used ones, and you can combine them mostly with all the colors. Cute, isn't it? On each finger fits nice in right size. By the way, if you don't want to buy separately those balls, you can even buy the silicone mold where you can just make your own color balls, different sizes. I think it's cheaper, but I just decided to have some of them just to see if I will like them at all or not. This one is a mixed nail charms, more like transparent colors, I see. I didn't know what to choose. That's why I had like most of the time I choose the mix, because you don't know what's inside. It's actually more interesting. You have some stars, you have some balls, you have some rhinestones, roses. You can see a lot of different stuff. What is that? Oh, that's a butterfly. Another butterfly. Heart, beach heart. Oh, this one I had a high expectations. I like this one. It looked like I have all like necessary sizes from the tiniest to the normal ones. And I like the color. God damn, the color, so nice. But I think it was not the glass, but still looks nice. The color is just one of my favorites. The next one is a yellow, but I was expecting it would have the same sizes, but it's all the same. Well, they still pretty colors, but the sizes would be so nice to have different sizes. Another bowl pack, this time in packaging, in a container. Yeah, they are the same colors. I don't know why I purchased this one. Maybe I took this one first, but then I forgot about the second, and then I decided to get this. Some of them are slightly different colored than the previous ones, but really similar. This one is the thank you stickers. I might use it for deliveries or for friends, or I don't know, I just wanted to buy those stickers. Oh, this one I've seen many YouTubers using them for making the right size for the nails, for the charms. Well, I tried before. I had a hard time bending nail metal charms to fit my nails, so they just don't stick out of the nail and like catch on everything. This one seems like a nice idea. As you can see, there is even instruction. It's very nice. You can see how and what you're supposed to do. So it goes in size from the bigger to the shorter one, as you can see, and you can put a bit bigger or smaller charms. This one, I don't remember what is that. Oh wait, I know. I tried to get one of those silicone thingies. Apparently this one is with lettuce. Yeah, I've seen some designs I wanted to try, and I might use this. Just put some colorful gel, you fry it in a lamp, and you get your lettuce for the nails. I think it's pretty cool. This one I was expecting the most, I think. This one, Aurora nail lines, nail sticker lines, and they come in 3 different sizes. The colors repeating, but the sizes are 3, and they're really nice. I've never seen a product like this before in the market. That's why I decided to get it. So the next product is the mini printer I bought, called Nimebot. Well, I choose it to print small labels, maybe just some things I need to stick to my trays or shelves. I just saw the girls use the most, the ones that you have like a keyboard on top. But that seemed to me a bit old, like old style. So as you can see, you have a guide you receive in a box, and there is instruction how to use it. Well, even though instructions are not for me, I'm not usually using them. First I check, and then if I don't understand, I use instruction. Then you have a cable to charge your printer. It came already charged fully, so you can straight away turn it on and start using it. He can check the labels inside, the white ones, and then you have one button you switch on. Apart from that, there is nothing else, so it's very simple, very easy to use, and it was very cheap. I would say it's the most expensive product I got from Temu. After you install put the labels inside, you're good to go. You can download the app, the Nimebot, and then you can put the lines, you can put the icons, you can type the letters, you can make an image, you can even make a photo of yourself or anything else and it will print out, but it's going to be only black and white, and you can put the density, how many copies you need, and Here you go. You can see how actually the product looks like at the end.